Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's video I would like to dedicate to unboxing and fully reviewing this Sensors compact mirror from Simplehuman. And if you're interested to see how did that go, then carry on watching. A little introduction that I normally have a couple of mirrors around me and they are pretty basic. This one is just from IKEA, typical mirror that is, I don't know, I think I spent $20 on it. It is rather good, it's on the side here, but I can't get quite as close as I normally would need to because I've got other things, I've got reflectors in the way and yada yada. And then you always see this beautiful mirror that I use. This was a present. My friend bought this for me and it was a set. It came with brushes and combs, and of course I never use this, but I keep it. It's just cutesy and it's a gift and I'm very thankful. Thank you so much. I love this mirror. But however, I was always on the lookout for a mirror that will be helping me out to see a lot more. And when they say be careful what you wish for, and this probably is the case for me. So I came across this mirror that is from Simplehuman. They are very much well known for charging an arm and a leg and a kidney for a mirror, but apparently this is a Bentley of all mirrors because this mirror comes with the ring of daylight. So technically they have these amazing mirrors that sometimes you see big bloggers are using as a mirror to apply the makeup. They go for about $400 or something like that, something crazy. I'm talking about the big unfolding ones. Also there's another ones that are slightly cheaper, probably $300. But I wanted to have something that will help me apply my makeup and see what else is happening on my face, because sometimes it's very difficult with all these lights. It's kind of difficult to see, and when I'm plucking my eyebrows, and you know, we women, we do need a good mirror, and I find that as I get older I need definitely one of those. So I decided to invest in one of these. This retails for $100 plus in Nordstrom. You can buy it at Neiman Marcus, probably sells them too. Saks Fifth Avenue has it too. So there's no shortage of places where to buy it. So I'm going to show you the actual unboxing for you to see it for yourself what it looks like. I have used this mirror today for applying this makeup. So far, I'm very impressed and I'm glad that I bought it. Having said that, it is personal preference. You do not need to have this mirror in order to apply your makeup. And I am not suggesting for you to go ahead and buy it. This is not sponsored. I did buy it with my own money. The inventor of the Simplehuman brand is featured in the Forbes magazine. Clearly, he made it, and he did manage to captivate and scientifically study color and brightness of the daylight. So this little mirror, this is what it looks like. As you saw, that it comes with a little pouch. It's very light. This is plastic, and it has a ring that you just put it on your hand and you just apply your makeup, and I loved using it. It's very easy and it gives me this little extra light that I can see. Now, of course, it's a good and bad, because this mirror is showing you everything that you would not probably see in the normal mirror, and that's including extra skin, wrinkles or hairs that are unwanted. And let's face it, we all have that. I am impressed with this mirror, I really am. It is rather expensive, I must say. However, this light will never have to be changed throughout the lifetime of this mirror. It has 3 levels of brightness. Also, this mirror is offering you the true color of your skin and what's on it when it comes to makeup, hairs, and all that jazz. And I can tell you this much, I see stuff that I never knew was on my face, which is a good and bad, of course, but it's best to know rather not to. Having the ring on the back of the mirror that helps you hold it is actually a genius idea. And also, if you need to use both of your hands for makeup application or what have you, there's a little button that you can attach the mirror to, and you can actually stand it and it will stand on its own, so you don't need to be able to hold it all of the time. Also, this could be attached to, I don't know, if you're in a hotel, you can attach it to the towel holder and what have you. Hotel lights are not always the best when it comes to applying the makeup. So I think it's very universal. It's very travel friendly. I think it's a very simple, clean design. And I went for white color of the mirror. I believe they were available in naturally white, rose gold, stainless steel, and stainless steel black. But stainless steel black, I think they were limited editions, so don't quote me, I'm not sure if they're still available, but they were at some point. I opted out for white, but now I'm having second thoughts, because it is very easy to make it dirty, especially if you're applying makeup. This mirror comes with the charger, and you charge it for 1 hour. And it gives you 6 days worth of usage, and provided you're not using it 24/7, of course, but I'm sure this is going to be more than 6 days for me, because it's going to be in and out of the pouch. It is motion activated, as all Simplehuman mirrors. So this is the pouch, and this is what it looks like inside. So once you put it in, as you probably saw, the sensor went off. So the mirror is nice and safe. As far as I'm concerned, I'm absolutely loving this mirror. Of course, I'm always going to be continuing using my pretty mirror that you always see. But this one will probably up my game when it comes to plucking my eyebrows and overall makeup application. So let's just sum up. I absolutely love the fact that this mirror has a sensor. It's easy to use. I loved using it whilst I was applying my makeup. This design is great. It will fit any handbag and a clutch, and I believe if your clutch is not too small, this will be perfect. This mirror offers 3 times magnification than an ordinary mirror. It comes with a daylight ring around it. It's basically like having a ring light in your purse or in your handbag. I am going to test it to its full ability. I'm going to charge it for an hour and see how many days I can squeeze out of this bad boy. It is expensive. I am not suggesting that you need this mirror in order to apply your makeup. And please don't think I'm sponsored. I did buy this with my own money, and it's just something that I wanted. I was looking for a good quality magnifying mirror, and I think I found just that. If you feel like a little bit rich and if you want a little extra mile for your makeup application business, then I would suggest for you to try these mirrors, and you definitely are going to be always up to date with all of the news that are occurring on your face. And on this fantastic note, I would like to end today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comment down below what you think about this review, and I'll see you in my next one. But for now, it's bye-bye.